Can you say anybody?
Yeah, starting.
Ready
It's
now.
really hot now.
Okay. Hello, chicken. Hello, chicken. Hello, chicken. For the whole thing. Next time, have to like this. Everyone, you just stick stir. Come on, everyone, stir. Get in there.
No onion. I'm not stirring. It's too many chopsticks.
Yeah, we're going to stir.
You're going to have to stir. There's a big one over there. She's the big stirrer over there.
Chief stirrer.
Keep
Yeah.
stirring. Stir. We want to change the color, you know. Keep stirring.
They're hot.
Yeah.
Little short one.
How you doing with it?
Oh, be careful, okay.
That's right.
Hold on,
You tell I haven't done this before. Never had one done.
the chicken change the color. Hello, pineapple.
Pineapple.
Hello, pineapple. What have you been?
Pineapple. Pop, stick it in there.
Thank you, pineapple. Hello, onion. Hello, onion. Everyone stir 1 minute for the pineapple and onion. Stir 1 minute to stir.
You ready, are
I'm
you?
getting my pinch ready. Is that a pinch?
Not now.
Is that a pinch?
Now. Yeah.
I'll put it off, yeah.
Not now.
Not
Not
now,
now.
please.
What?
You got very beautiful eyebrows.
Beautiful eyebrows.
Apron is fallen, the apron's fallen apart.
Outfit.
The apron's fallen.
Oh.
No, I just bring the new one for you.
Next.
Not now. Say after 1 minute. I add boiling water. Look at mine.
You could pour the water in.
Okay. Hello, juice up the spring roll.
One in there.
Hello, pepper.
Pepper.
Yes. Hello, chili paste.
Pinch.
1/4?
No?
Yeah.
1/4?
Yeah. Hello, lemon juice.
So chicken in the...
And that one fish sauce. Hello, everyone. Now we bring to boil. To the boiling. Hello, tomato.